They are now 2 weeks old and they are now starting to walk. They open their eyes, all of them now, except for this one. So this is one, the first one. I'm gonna show you all of them. The second one. Oh my god! The third one. The fourth one. The sixth one. This is the oldest one. The seventh one. Oh,
No,
sorry.
only 6.
Oh,
You count one by one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my! I'm gonna add a barrier so they won't fall. There. Should do it. So I can carry on, but most of them are asleep right now, except for one. These
Oh,
three.
where's the mom?
The mom, I can get her. She's here.